Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. With Gamma, you can transform static PDFs into beautiful interactive documents in just seconds with AI. Let's learn how. Getting started. From your Gamma dashboard, click on Create with AI and select Import File or URL. Upload your PDF file. Gamma will automatically scan and extract the content. Next, choose Document as your format, then click Continue. Drafting your document. Gamma automatically scans and extracts the content of your document, generating an outline. It's flexible, allowing you to add, modify, or remove sections to fit your vision. You can also choose the page style for your document and the text length for each section. Make breathtaking documents by adding visuals. Add images from the web, upload your own, or let Gamma generate custom illustrations using AI. Advanced mode. The advanced mode offers granular control over how to create your document and content. Here in the prompt editor, you can opt for free form to let AI distribute the content or card by card for manual control over each section. You can also refine your content's audience and tone, language, as well as modify other format parameters. Once your outline is ready, click Continue. Selecting a theme. Make your presentations look stellar with just one click by choosing from a wide range of professionally designed themes that make your content shine. If you want to brand your document, you can create and apply a custom theme using your colors, fonts, and logo. Watch our dedicated tutorial to learn how. Once you select a theme, click Generate and watch your idea transform into a polished, visually engaging document. Editing with AI. Gamma handles all the heavy lifting by generating and structuring the entire document for you. You can then customize it by adding more elements like images, videos, and interactive content. You can even make edits almost as fast as you think by using the AI assistant. Simply click the Edit with AI button and specify the changes you need. Or let Gamma suggest the best structure to communicate your ideas clearly. You can modify the layout, rewrite text, insert visuals, and expand sections effortlessly. To learn more about how to edit with AI, check out our dedicated video, Think It, Make It, Truly That Easy. Sharing, exporting, and publishing. When your Gamma is ready, you can share it via multiple options. Present it to your team directly from Gamma with interactive features and presenter notes. Share via link so anyone can view your content, even without a Gamma account. Export in various formats. PDF for universal distribution. PowerPoint or Google Slides for further editing in those platforms. PNG images for social media. Also, you have the option to publish your document directly to LinkedIn without leaving Gamma. You can even customize which specific cards you want to export or share. To learn more about sharing and publishing, check out our dedicated tutorial. With Gamma, your PDFs don't have to stay static. Turn them into polished, professional documents, fast, interactive, and ready to share with the world. Start for free at gamma.app and get your ideas out there. And don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tutorials and tips.